Daily errands should feel safe, simple, and comfortable, especially when mobility and balance matter most in everyday life. Today, we're going over the best folding shopping cart for seniors from our top picks. Support, smooth rolling wheels, easy storage, and dependable convenience for independent shopping trips everywhere. All product links are in the description below. Let's get into it.
Number 1. Amazon Basics Folding Shopping Cart. The Amazon Basics Folding Shopping Cart is a dependable choice for anyone who needs extra support carrying groceries, laundry, or household supplies. Built with a durable metal frame and finished in black, it offers a solid 50 to 70 pound load capacity that feels stable during everyday use. The design includes two spacious main baskets along with a smaller upper basket, giving you practical storage separation for personal items like a purse or fragile goods. Its heavy-duty wheels and 360-degree swivel front wheels allow smooth, controlled movement through grocery aisles, sidewalks, and apartment hallways. The foam-covered handle provides a comfortable, secure grip, even when pushing heavier loads. One of its most convenient features is the collapsible frame, which folds down flat for easy storage in a trunk or closet. Assembly is quick and simple, so it's ready to use in minutes. With generous dimensions and reliable construction, this cart is a practical solution for routine shopping trips and daily errands. Number 2. Our modern folding shopping cart. Our modern folding shopping cart is designed for shoppers who want lightweight convenience without sacrificing strength. Weighing just 8 pounds, it's easy to lift and transport, yet its durable stainless steel frame supports up to 100 pounds with confidence. The rust-proof and scratch-resistant construction adds long-term durability, making it suitable for regular use. The basket provides enough space for groceries, laundry, or packages, while the compact frame ensures it doesn't feel bulky. Large 5.5-inch rear wheels combined with 3-inch swivel front wheels improve mobility across uneven sidewalks, rough pavement, and even stairs. Steering feels smooth and controlled, reducing the effort needed to maneuver tight spaces. When not in use, the cart folds down to just over 5.5 inches thick, allowing convenient storage in car trunks or small closets. Assembly takes only a few minutes, making setup simple. Overall, this cart delivers an excellent balance of portability, strength, and maneuverability for everyday hauling needs.
Number 3. DMI Utility Folding Shopping Cart. The DMI Utility Folding Shopping Cart is a compact yet capable option for people who rely on public transportation or need a lightweight cart for apartment living. Weighing only 7.5 pounds, it's easy to carry while still supporting up to 90 pounds of cargo. Whether used for groceries, laundry, or organizing cleaning supplies, the sturdy frame provides dependable stability. The 6-inch rear wheels and 3-inch front wheels roll smoothly across most surfaces, including sidewalks and store floors. Its textured hand grip ensures a secure, non-slip hold, which is especially helpful when climbing stairs or navigating curbs. The cart folds flat for convenient storage and even includes a carrying case, adding extra portability. Assembly is straightforward and doesn't require complicated tools. With its balanced design and reliable weight capacity, this model offers a practical solution for everyday errands while remaining light enough to handle comfortably. Number 4. SereneLife Compact Folding Shopping Cart. The SereneLife Compact Folding Shopping Cart blends durability with thoughtful storage features, making it suitable for grocery runs, laundry days, or light travel tasks. Constructed with a sturdy steel frame and tear-resistant weatherproof fabric, it offers dependable performance in various outdoor conditions. The cart supports up to 70 pounds while maintaining smooth mobility thanks to its 360-degree swivel front wheels and larger rear wheels. It moves comfortably over sidewalks, cobblestones, and uneven terrain. The ergonomic foam-covered handle enhances comfort, reducing strain during longer trips. Multiple storage pockets with secure closures help keep items organized and protected, adding functionality beyond a standard basket design. Standing at a maximum height of 36.6 inches, it provides a comfortable pushing position without feeling oversized. When folded, the cart becomes slim enough for compact storage in closets or car trunks. Overall, this cart combines organization, maneuverability, and solid construction in a practical, everyday design.
Number 5. Mount Foldable Folding Shopping Cart. The Mount Foldable Folding Shopping Cart is a practical solution for anyone who needs a reliable and space-saving way to transport groceries, laundry, or everyday essentials. Designed with compact living in mind, this cart folds down quickly and neatly, making it easy to store in a car trunk, closet, or garage without taking up valuable space. It's especially useful for apartment dwellers or anyone who regularly shops without the convenience of close parking. Despite its collapsible design, the cart feels sturdy and dependable when fully opened, offering impressive strength for daily use. The cart glides comfortably in tight corners and responds well to direction changes, reducing the frustration often associated with bulkier utility carts. Built from durable, high-strength materials, it supports up to 66 pounds without bending or wobbling, giving you confidence when carrying heavier loads. The ergonomic foam handle adds another layer of comfort, providing a soft, secure grip that minimizes strain on your hands during longer trips. Overall, this folding shopping cart combines portability, strength, and ease of use, making it a dependable companion for everyday hauling needs. That wraps up the top 5 best folding shopping cart for seniors. Like, subscribe to the Ultimate Review, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching. See you next time.